Sticky MacBook key? In 60 seconds, I'll show a safe step-by-step fix. Gather a cotton swab, 90% isopropyl alcohol, and fine tweezers. Shut down the MacBook and unplug any cables before you start. Identify the sticky key and look for visible debris around its edges. Gently attempt to lift the keycap from one corner. Stop if it resists. If it won't pop off or feels delicate, clean around the key with a lightly dampened swab instead. If it lifts easily, carefully pry upwards to remove the keycap and set it aside. Use a dry brush or compressed air to remove loose crumbs under the key. Then use a swab with alcohol to gently remove sticky residue from the mechanism. Let the area dry completely, then inspect the scissor clip for any damage. Align the keycap over the mechanism and press gently until it clicks back into place. Power on and test the key. Repeat as needed. If it still sticks or the mechanism is damaged, contact an authorized service provider.